Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and search on a Wizz app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what we're gonna do, we first of all gonna go ahead access our Wizz app that we have installed and logged in with on our mobile phone. Once we have opened up this kind of interface, we're gonna look like here in this Wizz app. You will have to make sure that you're logged in as well, coming to your profile icon, and you can see that you are logged in over here. Afterwards, you can simply go back to your chat section, and what you can do for you to search a particular user, you can go ahead, tap on this plus icon where you can simply go ahead, swipe through to see if you can find the person. Other thing would be simply tapping on the horizontal dot icon on top right corner, tapping on the search option, and now go ahead, enter the person's username or the person's name that you think the person is using with here in this Wizz app. Go ahead, enter that and simply search it up. You will be able to find the particular person and you can add them on. For example, you can simply do this. Let's say we have a name. This will be search session. If any of the person you found is the one that you wanted to find, go ahead, tap on it, and there will be it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.